Genuine phrases that you should know. Malolo na kayo koe. It means, how are you? If you see somebody you know, say malolo na kayo koe. Malolo na kayo koe. Lari? Malolo sa koe. Or malolo na kai amua for two people. Too low, it means excuse me. When you walk in front of people, you can say too low. It means excuse me. Too low, too low, too low. You can also say too low after somebody's speech. Koe ke ha'a koe, what are you up to? Or you can say koe eke ha amua for two people. Or you can say koe eke ha amutulu for three people. For three people. Ma fola e aho, have a good day. Ma fola e aho. I'll see you later. You can say koe kia when your friends leave. Koe kia. Koe kia means bye-bye. Thank you for supporting New Language Week. I hope you learned something new. Whakulahi, koe kia.